Hey everyone, today we're diving into a topic that's becoming crucial for IT professionals looking and applying for jobs: soft skills. Now, I know IT is often associated with technical know-how, but it turns out soft skills are increasingly valued by employers. Let's break down why they matter and how you can sharpen these skills to stand out. So, what are soft skills? Well, they're those personal attributes like communication, teamwork, and problem solving that help you interact effectively with others. Think of them as the social side of your skill set, complementing your technical expertise. Now, you might be wondering, why are soft skills so important for IT roles? Well, as IT professionals, we're not just behind a screen all day. We work in teams, troubleshoot with clients, and sometimes need to break down complex tech issues in simple terms. That's where skills like communication and empathy come in. They help bridge the gap between us and the non-technical folks, making projects run smoother. Here are some of the top soft skills that IT hiring managers are looking for. Firstly is communication skills. Communication is critical in IT. It's not just about knowing the technical side. You have to articulate complex ideas simply and clearly. For example, if there's a problem with a network, you need to explain the issue in a way that everyone, including non-tech folks, can understand. Good communication means effective listening and strong written skills too, which helps everyone stay informed and on the same page. Secondly is problem solving and critical thinking. IT is full of unexpected challenges, so problem solving and critical thinking are must-haves. Whether it's troubleshooting a system issue or coding a new application, you need a logical, methodical approach to tackle problems as they arise. In interviews, hiring managers often look for candidates who are quick to think on their feet and can innovate solutions to obstacles. The third is teamwork and collaboration. IT projects are rarely solo efforts. Effective teamwork ensures projects stay on track and meet deadlines. Collaboration helps you work smoothly with colleagues across different departments. Now, being able to resolve conflicts and find solutions that benefit everyone is also essential to productive work environment. Now, fourth is emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, or EQ, is all about understanding and managing emotions, your own and those of others. IT work can be high pressure, so maintaining composure is key. Now, high EQ professionals are empathetic, self-aware, and know how to keep calm, which helps them communicate effectively and lead with confidence. Now, fifth, and finally, time management and prioritization. Time management and prioritization are vital in IT. With so many tasks on your plate, you need to break down complex projects into manageable parts, set deadlines, and focus on the most impactful work. By regularly assessing progress and staying flexible, you can keep productivity high and avoid burnout. All right, so how do we work on these skills? Well, here are a few tips. You can practice clear communication by explaining technical concepts to friends or family. You can challenge yourself with puzzles or games to boost problem solving. And always stay curious and open to new experiences to build adaptability. Remember, soft skills can make a huge difference in your IT career. They don't replace technical skills. They're more complementing them, making you a well-rounded professional. So let's keep learning and growing, both technically and personally. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. And let us know in the comments, which soft skill do you think is the most important in IT?